Hi friends, today I'll be unboxing this 300 piece stitch puzzle. Let's open it and see what is inside. Came with this inside. So before I start, I love, sorting it out. I'll start from the edge. I'll look for these colors just to set it out. Okay, I think this is the one down. Guys, playing this game, you just feel like they are not here, but I must tell you, everything you're looking for is right in here. Just relax and sort it out. While I'm looking for the edge, I can see the sorting out the other colors. This game is good. After a long walk of taking care of the kids and everything, you just use this to relax. So it's good to differentiate the colors. A lot of blue at majority. That's why we have a lot of blue. Hi friends, so I will keep working on the pieces and I will show you my progress in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more fun.